Welcome back to Quiz Splash, where fun meets challenge. Grab a snack, focus on the emojis, and let's see if you can beat the quiz. Today, Think Bee is going to ask you 60 questions. Your challenge? Beat Think Bee and prove you're a genius. Let's begin. $1,914. That's a home run for you, my friend. Well done. Let's see if you can guess this one. Correct. The assassination of Archduke Franz Ferdinand. Ready for the next one? William McKinley. Those were the first three. Have you guessed them all so far? This one is a bit more challenging. Yes, the Treaty of Versailles. Well done. Let's keep the momentum going. $1,917 is the correct answer. Can you crack the next one? Joseph Stalin. That's right, here comes another. The Great Depression. Absolutely. Eyes on the emojis for the next one. Nazism is correct. Let's see if you know this one. $1,939. Nicely done. Next question coming up. Germany, Italy, and Japan. Correct. Ready for another challenge? That's right. The genocide of Jews. Let's continue. $1,945 is correct. Here comes the next one. Hiroshima and Nagasaki. Well remembered. Can you get the next one? The United Nations. Nice. Let's move on. Tryggvi is correct. Next question. An ideological conflict. Exactly. Here comes another. The Berlin Wall. Correct. Ready for the next? $1,947. Well done. Let's keep going. Rajendra Prasad is right next one coming up. (1,950 to 1,953). That was question 20 already. (1,949) is correct. Can you stay on track? Fidel Castro. Nice next challenge. (1,969). One giant leap, here's another. Lyndon B. Johnson is correct. Next one. Communism is the right answer. Let's continue. (1,989). A real history changer. Ready for more? (1,991). Correct. Next up. Nelson Mandela. Absolutely. Let's go. (2001) is correct. Next question. World Trade Organization. You've reached 30 already. Let's see if you can keep this streak alive. (1,993) is right. Here comes another. Margaret Thatcher. Correct. Next one. The Iraq War. Well done. Let's continue. Revolutions is correct. Ready? (2011). Correct. Next. The United Kingdom. Right, let's go. UK leaving the EU. Correct. Next one. Barack Obama. Nice, keep it up. 2019 is correct. Next question. The Who. Correct, let's move on. The Internet. Absolutely next. The USSR. Well done, here comes another. Sputnik. Correct, let's keep rolling. Two 2022 is right next up. NATO. Correct, ready? The Paris Agreement. Next one. China. Correct, let's go. Queen Elizabeth II. Next. Two 2013 is correct. One more before a milestone. Apple. That's question 50 already. Let's finish strong. Facebook. Correct, next. India is right almost there. The Panama Canal. Nice, next. The International Criminal Court. Let's continue. NASA. Correct, next one. COVID-19. Unfortunately, yes, here comes another. Feminism is correct. Final question. Artificial intelligence. You made it to the end. Well done. That's today's Quiz Splash. Drop your score in the comments, like, subscribe, and see you in the next quiz.